I'm not sure about this pole because look at it, it's massive. It's massive like the low taper fade, bro. Let's play another game. This gotta be Bulgaria, definitely. I would say like southern Bulgaria. Why is it lagging so much, man? Okay, Bulgaria over here. Sure. Oh man, I hate these rounds. These are the most difficult because you're just in like some industrial area with some stores or something. This kind of looks like southern. I would say like over here. Yeah, exactly. Okay, that was pretty correct. What about this? Latvia, I think this is like Riga, Latvia. Yes, exactly. It was in the suburbs with those commie blocks. What about this? Okay, this one could be like Slovenia or Croatia. Bro, how do I do this? I'm so close. What the? Okay, could this be southern Sweden? Yeah, I saw the flag. I gotta tell you, it looks slightly mountainous, so I would go like here. Okay. Was Gothenburg. That's like the hometown of PewDiePie, if you didn't know. Okay, 20,000, 21,000, pretty good. Okay, so let's play some GeoGuessr. What do we have here? This immediately looks like southern Slovakia. Yeah, exactly. Okay, let's see. What do we have next? Hungary. Probably like near Slovakian border. Okay, it was actually at the Balaton Lake. Sure, interesting. This is gonna be like... Is that the Netherlands? What do we have? I'm actually not sure whether this is the Netherlands or the Luxembourg, but I'm gonna go here in the Netherlands. Yep. There were some signs like German. This looks like northern Croatia. I mean, something over here. Yep. Okay, let's see what we have next. Oh wow, this is the last one is difficult. Okay, not very difficult. There's the flag. It looks like there's a lot of fields, so I assume like maybe this area. Okay, it was all the way in the south near the coast. Okay, 20,000, pretty quick, pretty fast. Nice. Okay, let's play another game. Let's see what we have here. So this kind of gives like... Dude, I have like mixed feelings about this one. It looks like France. I mean, yeah, I guess... No, this could be like... It's not a France. It's not France, right? It's probably like Ireland. Over here, yep. Okay. What do we have next? Probably... Could this be ever Belgium? I don't think so. I don't really think so, man. There's the water tower. Doesn't give much clues. But, we can read a little bit of this. I mean, probably Denmark, right? I mean, I don't know. Yeah, it was Denmark. Okay. Pretty good. What do we have here? Probably like the Netherlands on, like, Amsterdam or something. Yeah, it was like the outskirts. Whatever. Oh, this is gotta be like... Dude, could this be Belgium? I mean, I need to look a little bit more. Yeah, this one house in particular looks very Belgian, so go here. See that? Yep. Okay, last one. Okay, we have English, UK. Not exactly sure which area of the UK this is, but I would go like slightly more to the north. Maybe here. Yeah, I was literally thinking about Northern Ireland. I don't know why I make this guess, but okay. 21,000, okay. Okay, what do we have here? Okay. This immediately, I'm not sure about this pole because look at it, it's massive. It's massive like the low taper fade, bro. But generally speaking, I think we're in like southern Romania, right? Yeah, it was in the outskirts of Bucharest. It was a massive one. What is this? It's like, dude, the trees kind of give like northern Europe vibe. But let me just see a little bit more. Oh, wow. We have some French here. But I think this could be like Scotland even. I don't really know. I don't see many cars, but... I don't know, dude. This one I'm like really not sure where we are. Let's say like here? No. Okay, it was actually in the Belgian mountains. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, what about this? Probably like, I would say Luxembourg, just given the vibe. Yeah, the kind of houses, the vibe that give it. Okay, it's gonna be like southern Serbia or something. Here, yep. Serbia, as I said. This is Malta for sure. Just the Mediterranean vibe, and the kind of bricky architecture. Probably one of those cities. Okay, it was elsewhere, but okay. 20,000 points, not a bad one.